It's almost the end of summer, but pineapple reigns supreme. Welcome back.
So hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Of course, I'm your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and I am just making up a quick summer treat. This is made with a Duncan Hines perfectly moist pineapple supreme cake. And as you know, if you're trying to skimp or save on eggs and things like that, you know, I always use a club soda. Today I used a club soda with it's a great value, I want to say, and it's a club soda that has like a Fiji apple taste, as well as I'm using some Cool Whip. I added some pineapple to it, as well as I added some of that pecan yogurt that I had. I added just a little bit in it just to give it a kind of a nutty flavor. Okay, Adorner, so you can see we have our first layer of our cake. And I have it turned upside down, actually. And so I have our ready whip, or our cool, you can see, whip topping. Added in, like I said, I put this back in the freezer, but I added pineapple and a little bit of that nut, pecan nut yogurt to this flavor. Okay, Adorner, so as you can see, I've scooped some of our cool or whip topping on the top, and I'm gonna spread this out and then add our next layer. Adorner, so we have our first layer ready, and now I'm gonna add our second layer. Okay, so I've added our second layer. Okay, Adorners, so I've added our third and final layer of whipped topping on top, and I'm gonna spread that out. And by the way, just quickly, a beauty break. Okay, Adorners, just a quick beauty break. As you know, I'm a new Avon ambassador. I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer and a wild cherry lipstick, as well as I'm using one of the Quads eyeshadow packs. Anyway, so let's continue. All right, Adorner, so it's time for us to smooth out our topping. All right, all the way across if we can, and I'm gonna add some pineapples to the middle, and I'll be right back. Okay, Adorner, so I've added our top layer, as you can see, and now I'm gonna add some pineapples to the center, and I'll be done. Okay, Adorner, so I've gone ahead and added our pineapple to the top. And again, I just used a perfectly moist pineapple supreme cake, and I think it's going to be absolutely delicious. Adorners, so we have our cake done. This is an easy, quick summer treat. It doesn't take very much time or effort in a way, and it doesn't really cost very much. As you know, your girl is on a budget that's like no budget at all. But anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Okay, Adorner, so I've gone ahead and cut a slice of our cake, and I'm gonna try it. And I had a little taste already, and I wanna say, before I forget, that I actually added in some of the juice, the pineapple juice from the can of the crushed pineapples into the batter. So let's try it. That's so light and refreshing. Oh, wow. It really is. And you know, I'm a Jersey girl. We don't take no shorts. If it wasn't true, I wouldn't say it. Anyway, let's finish the video. Oh my God, the doggies are checking me out. As you can see, others also want some of the cake. Gosh, that's so wonderful and light. What? See you in the next video. Okay, Adorner, so we have our finished cake. And like I said, this is just an easy summertime cake that you can munch on all weekend, and you don't have to do very much to. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello to. Okay, as you can see the inside of the cake, the layers are here. All right, so beautiful, right? Okay, so I am really enjoying this cake. And now it's time for me to tutor because that's what's paying me. Anyway, see you in the next video.